What's up today?
Oh, today has been a great day. We've been having fun. This is the African Network in Deutschland. Yes, our group, and we're having a meetup. I mean, since last year, due to Corona and stuff, we couldn't meet. And then this year, we decided that at least let's have some meetup. Most of us, we don't know ourselves face to face. It's like we've been on a platform, but we don't know ourselves. So this is the opportunity to network. I mean, to be together. That's why we are here.
So you are shining, and I can see that you have planned this event well. So was it difficult? How was it? How was the, let's say, helping hands? Did people come together to help?
Yeah.
How did it move, the whole planning?
Oh, I think our members are great, and the organizers too, we did a great job. Yeah, we communicated very well. I think it took us about 3 weeks, to plan.
This is Minister D reporting live for TNT and AMD at the same time. And this is Mami Beautiful Denta right here. So Mami Denta, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I said I'm too much.
And I'm so happy that you are here as well. I'm really grateful that you are here. Yeah.
So how was the planning for today?
I mean, today, if I said I did much, I'll be lying. It was very stress-free. When we had the WhatsApp group, the contributions were a lot. So as you can see, we have a lot of food in here. And then also, it was stress-free because Julius was like, okay, I'll take this off you. I'll do everything. So all I had to do was just come and put on the tent, and then everything was sorted for us. I think also, these events, they are so important, because it's just time for us to come out instead of being at home all the time, being depressed, so something informal. We have the food here, we have the drinks here, just something for the kids to come and play. We have the kids all around. So so it's to show love as well, but we're also grateful that people came as well.
So will you recommend this kind of grouping or party for next year? Because I believe next year we'll have another get together. Will we see you here? Will you come with someone, or will you say never?
As for me, I like to associate with wherever Africans are, especially Ghana. So I would like to recommend somebody because it's not something which is not good. Yeah, I like it. So I'll surely tell somebody about it, or next year from Canada, I would like to invite somebody.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to have seen you here.
Very happy also to add me to the officially.
Why are you called Sunshine?
I would say I went through my Facebook memory, and I realized that I had this name right from the beginning. I think that was a phase. It was a time when I was going through a very difficult phase when I came to Germany. And so I'm sure I told myself, like, I cannot break down. And I think I got that name from how down I was feeling and everything, and it has really motivated me, and I'm since then shining in the rain.
So, will you say that Africans are supposed to do such kind of events often, or is it good to stay in our houses and be like, what would you say?
In Deutschland here, the stress is a lot. There's a lot of stress over here. So once in a while, especially in summer, where the weather is okay, for in winter we can't meet, and the other times people are busy, but it's only summer that we can meet. So once in a while, when Africans we come together like this, it's very good for us.
So this is Tina. In the program.
Oh, it's nice. We have fun. There are lots of people, and it's so interesting to meet people and also to communicate with one another. It's nice.
What will you say to people who were not able to be here? What do you say to them?
if it's in Dutch, they say pechgehabt. We have pechgehabt.
It's really fun.
It's really fun. Please, next time people should try to join us because it's so interesting to meet people, you know, to do things together. It's interesting.
Me say me free. Duisburg-NRW. Oh wow. So just to come and show love, you know, see our brothers and sisters how they are doing, communicate, and then you know, vibe with people and then go. So
so grateful for being here, being invited, and being welcomed so warmly, kindly. Yeah.
Happy to have you here. My name is Derek.
Hey, Derek.
Your name is
Flo, like
the Flo King.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
good.
After all, we still have brothers and sisters elsewhere, so it was really fun coming out here.
I'm Kerstin, I'm from Bochum.
Okay, you're welcome. How are you finding the program?
Yeah, it's really interesting, especially for my boy. He's really having fun, you know. I think it's really an important thing to do for, like, especially African kids. Not really African kids, but for all everybody. You know, somebody like me, I hardly go out. So today it's more like, just like you really socialize. But at least if you meet people like that, it makes you happy and you know, mingle and talk and everything. It's really nice.
You're welcome. And how are you finding the program?
It was really funny. It was really a nice afternoon for me and I enjoyed it so much.
Yeah, myself, I enjoyed it too. This is my first time at an event like this and I really enjoyed it.
Then you did a nice
too.
job.
Cool on the beat.
It was a success. Everybody's having fun. Go to the planner. What I say, oh, one I'll show them. I buy I've met some people, I've done business, I've bought from a few people into yeah. I think that it was a success.
But when we say a different and all together, I say sometimes a group there. Yeah, but of course, I'm interested. I would like to join a group, a social event, you know, my family together.
Internet here, Juma, Kenya, Juma, BCC.
Opo African Network in Deutschland. Yeah.